road's bad. Good morning. Yeah, I'm going to do another winter camping workshop at Frontenac Outfitters at Frontenac Provincial Park. It's kind of cool. And only doing one this year. I've been busy doing presentations all over the place. And I haven't even been out winter camping yet, but that's coming. I'm going to have a break after I do a Toronto and Vancouver show. So, it is minus 22, minus 33 with the wind chill. The wind chill is pretty bad this morning, actually. So, yeah, we're going to have to watch our faces for frost nip. I don't know who's going to show up for today. Well, probably they all show up. It's a beautiful winter, though. We're getting lots of snow here in Frontenac near Kingston. So that's kind of cool. So there we go. I got to drive. It snowed last night. It's cold. Winter is here. Hello, winter. All right, here we are at minus temperatures doing a stick stove noodle thingy. And look at that. All right, they're doing the old fashioned, putting a grill on top of the pavement driveway. And they were doing great. At first, but what happened?
Tied the knot too early. I was so excited. Couldn't help myself.
Well, and here's the Queen's group, Camp Outlook in the Queen's Outdoor Club, and you got it going really well.
Yeah.
All right, you want to try it?
Sure. Yeah, let's give it a moment of truth. Where are we?
Don't burn your hand, man. There's no pressure at all here. But oh no! You had it in a knot?
Yeah, I did, and then snapped again. Here we go.
Oh! Look at that! We have a winner! We have a winner!
Last little bit.
What program are you going into for Queens?
I'm mechanical engineering.
There you go! He's a mechanical engineer student. All right, now we have Cleveland.
We just had a knot and it
Really?
just untied as soon as we got to the end. It broke.
Oh sure, oh yeah, right, yeah.
It did.
Oh, this might be it.
Did they get it?
Yeah, they did.
Cold fingers.
Oh,
Stick it.
oh.
Keep it in the steam.
Dip it, man.
Dip it? Alright, I'll listen to my elder.
Now we get it hot again. There you go.
We got second prize here. Second prize. Okay, there you go. Are you warm?
Yeah, I'm very warm.
Yeah, all right. What do you think, everybody?
Yeah, beautiful.
Okay, they're now doing tarp setup with a bunch of knots. And we have one of the students have a new knot. What's it called?
A trucker's what?
A trucker's what? They're putting tarps up, and they're putting tarps over here. And then the Queen's students are way off in their wilderness over there. And they only have one rope. I'm not sure how they're going to do that. There they are, the Queen's group. Professional because they put this tarp up with one rope. One.
Yeah.
I don't know how you did that, but one rope. All right. See, our future is saved. The world is not coming to an end. We got that.